Okay, sixth grade, here's what you're going to do today. The first thing we're going to do today is we're going to get your character in the room. So most of you have already created your avatar. So we're going to come down to this little cat and we are going to choose our sprite by going to Upload Sprite. And it should be in your recent downloads. If you haven't, I did put a link to Pixton in the Google Classroom, but you should have your Pixton character already downloaded. You're going to come into the box, the text box called Sprite, and you're going to type in your name. You're also going to come into the size box and change it to size 60, okay, so that he fits the room better. You're also going to place him wherever in the room you want him to start. Okay, and now we're going to start coding. So we're going to come here to the events. You're going to come to the first event, which is the flag. We're going to come to the motion blue blocks. You're going to choose this one right here, go to XY location. That means no matter where I move my character in the room, when I hit the flag, he will go right back to that location that is set here. So again, I can click him anywhere and then takes him right back to that location. So now we're going to bring out some new events. We're going to use this second one here. When space is clicked, I want two of these. I want the left arrow, or the right arrow first, and the left arrow. We're going to move him left and right in the room. So I'm going to come to the blue motion blocks, move 10 steps. This should make my right arrow key move him 10 steps. I want the same block, but I'm going to make it negative 10 steps because if you think about a number line, negative moves you to the left on a number line. So left arrow, there you go. Next thing I'm going to do, I am going to come over to the costume tab up here at the top of my screen. I'm going to rename the costume that he's in. It has this lengthy name in the text box. Simply call it Costume 1. Okay. And then you're going to come and you are going to come down to the bottom of the screen where this cat is on the left-hand side, upload a new costume. For this one, you do have to go to Pixton, change the costume your character is wearing, only the costume. Okay, so just change his outfit. I already have that done. So you go to Pixton, you download him again, and now you add another costume, and we're going to call this Costume 2. Remember, I put the link to Pixton so that you can change your outfit in Google Classroom, and then I use the cat to upload a costume. So now I see Costume 1 and 2. I only have one character down here in sprites, but I have two costumes. I'm going to come here to Code, Events, and you can pause this if you need to pause and go do that step. When and when. I'm going to go to Looks. I'm going to grab this Switch to Costume block in the purple Looks. I'm going to put one here up underneath the flag and change to Costume 1. I'm going to take the same block when the up arrow is pressed, Costume 2. When the down arrow is pressed, Costume 1. Back to Costume 1. So now things that my character should do in the room, he should be able to move left and right, up and down, costume change. And when he comes back to start, he's in the original costume at the original location. And that is what we came up with today.